Did you speak English?
Yeah, I speaking. Yeah.
What do you learn?
I'm learning for when I was stomachical, my mother.
Stomachical, your mother?
Yeah, I learning that.
So what do you do the lifetime?
Lifetime, just I walking, flowing for the goat and sheep is for the jungle place.
Jungle place?
Yeah.
Which tribe are you?
My tribe is Ismail Mahmoud, Macherten.
My goodness. And you never went to school?
And never.
Never ever?
Never in my life.
Then how do you know that language?
Just I learning for when I was jungle flowing, just to learning to speak someone for forestry come from to teach me, to explain for me, and I learn for that. And I now supporting my government, Saeed Abdullah Dani. I support to him because he's ruling properly for worker and ruling with the government. And I expect, inshallah, he's getting president in Somalia. And he's fighting for him, for group and military in Buntland. Fighting is for the group for calling it Daesh. He fight for our healers to the coming outside for country, those coming. And without recently to the coming Arafil is our country. So that man, we support to him, and we nationally support all of them in Somalia. People is to this day, even contribution for the money, and we send it for them. All of us, the people is, inshallah, is coming in Somalia president.
What do you want to say for international community and the president of Somalia, Hassan Sheikh?
No, he's not supporting for us. He's refused something we needed to him. He not the president in Somalia. He trapped for the Somalia, Afghan president, not Somalia. And I say all of the ambassador to the limit they must move in Iskushuman and Hafun and Hurdiya, and you know what the place to the client our ask to calling it to the limit Ali Salaiman. What they call for that? Arm. They must arrive all ambassador in Somalia that place. To the coming Skushuman, Hafun and Hurdiyo and you know Armo. They coming for that.
What do you want to say for the Puntland forces who fighting for the Daesh in the mountain of Almskid?
They fighting for billions and still they fight, and inshallah we winning it for our military. But something to don't need it for that. Something we don't need it advertisement for fighting to the secret for hiding. But we need for those people ruling experience general where they're calling what they call it Morgan. We need that one to support him, and those some of them to ruling for our government and our military as well. And our government, they are supporters. And I say Abdullah winning in Somalia.
What's your name?
Mahmoud Muhammad Ali.
Mahmoud Muhammad Ali.
Yes.
I meet Mahmoud Muhammad Ali in Yaka today, and I'm so surprised when I see him how can he speak English, and he never went to school. So Ismail Mahmoud tribe is even they knows English, even if they born for the bush
jungles.
Yes,
we're now.
Thank you so much.
What's your name as well?
My name is Abdul Ghani Dashani.
Ma'am Abdul Ghani, what kind of the party of the government you work at?
I'm MP.
MP Parliament.
Puntland Parliament.
The Parliament Puntland, they speak middle of the government and society. Why you don't speaking with the society?
Mostly we speak to society and we help in society, and also we are the part of the fighting for Al Daesh.
Yeah.
You can see
why you don't wear tuta? Tuta you not wear all of you.
I'm not supposed to wear in tuta, but I have to wear the casualty. No.
You got if you have got ability for the society.
Yep.
So you must be wearing a tuta for the military that time, and this time as well you must wear all of you. And I support our government.
There's many actions in the Puntland government can work now. Not only the fight at Daesh, but also we have the other institutions. We are working for the roadies. We are working for other ministers, working to the environment, also education, so farmers. It's not our duty to fight only the Daesh. We have a lot of things to do.
MP of Parliament in Puntland.
Yep.
Now. Abdullah drill for water from here, but it's not work that.
3 times we are in here in Yaka, and we meet the community leaders, and we support them to this borehole.
Yeah.
And also we
borehole for water.
Yes.
But that's a work there.
But what can we do? Our duty, MPs, we are not in implementations. We have to talk to government. We have to talk to the other parties or an institution who supposed to work that issues. Thank you so much.
Thank
anyway.
you very much, Sweden. But supporting for the government and support for the society, you are those of them, and we need contribution to the hands. They cry for the military and say we're not getting something society to the sending for us. They say for that.
I think those Puntland people, they help him a lot. You
but
can see him, how many goats, how many camels.
Sometimes reviews that.
Oh.
Let me say something. Food to making for the outside, for the military. Don't send it for the military to the given.
They have to reach.
Yalla siin military ka raashin dibadda lagu soo sameeyay barkee wax kasta dhici kara.
Thank you so
much.
We will take your advice.
madaxweynaha Soomaaliya ha guulaysto Abdullahi ha guulaysto.
Said Abdullahi.
Ha guulaysto.